Welcome to all dear bettors on this channel. In this video we will discover the functionality of OneSBet together. How to register on OneSBet with a promo code to fully benefit from all its advantages and bonuses. How to create your OneSBet account. Here are the different steps to follow to have a OneSBet account and benefit from all its advantages. Go to the OneSBet application. Click on Registration. Choose one-click or full registration. After choosing one-click registration, your country and currency will be chosen automatically. Put UAC at promo code level. Check a small box and press the Validate button to validate your registration. You can also choose the registration by complete and fill in the personal information using the promo code UAC and you validate your registration. Advantages of registering on OneSBet. 200% bonus on your first deposit. 100% bonus on your deposits every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Free access to the various operations. 30% of your additional losses to be reimbursed. The UAC promo code is the best OneSBet promo code that offers bonuses and benefits for all OneSBet bettors. Share this tip to benefit from OneSBet promotional offers together.